despite the action that was done by the iNEC to remove all the National Working Committee of the ADC, the party has insisted that they will continue with their congress as earlier scheduled. So the question that is begging for answer here is, after this congress, will the INEC still recognize the outcome of this congress, knowing fully well that INEC has gone ahead to remove all that has to do with the National Working Committee, that is the executive that has to do with David Mark and Aregweshola as the secretary. So they said they will be proceeding with the Congress as earlier scheduled. This is the public notice. Now let's look at it. This is the public notice as released by the ADC. They said, public notice, African Democratic Congress, National Headquarters, 121 Ademola Adetokunbo Crescent, Wuse, Abuja. This is to notify all members that despite INEC's illegal action, you can see the ADC are coming out to call the action by INEC as illegal action. The African Democratic Congress will continue with the congresses as scheduled. Earlier before now, these dates were scheduled for these congresses before the action by the INEC. So they said, despite the action by the INEC, they will still continue with the congresses as scheduled. Having duly notified INEC by our letters dated 27th February 2026 and 28th March 2026. So these were the dates that they notify INEC about these congresses. Now they said the screening of the aspirant will take place on the 7th of April 2026. An appeal on the screening exercise on the 8th of April 2026. And also here they said the polling unit ward and local government congresses will take place on the 9th of April. Appeal on the congresses will take place on the 10th of April 2026. State Congress will take place on the 11th of April 2026. Appeal on the Congress of the appeal on the State Congress will take place on the 12th of April 2026. Then the convention will take place. Then the convention will take place on the 14th of April. Now this is signed by Prince Chinedu Edigu, National Organizing Secretary, and Malam Bolaji Abdullahi, National Publicity Secretary. So these are the public notice that was released by ADC recently. So like I said earlier, will INEC recognize everything that will be done, the outcome of these congresses and all of this? Will INEC recognize them as officials or as duly done according to INEC rules, seeing that the National Working Committee have been suspended by INEC according to INEC as court ordered them to? So are we now expecting that the outcome of this Congress will be accepted by INEC? Let's wait and see what unfolds.